Have you received calls from some of your customers claiming that they are unable to recover the input VAT from the purchases that they bought from your shop? Or perhaps you have been trying to process VAT compliant invoices for your customers and the system is not allowing you to do that. The eTeams portal. Then I have some bad news for you, that your PIN could have been put on a special table by KRA. And this is not a table of privilege. It is a table that is supposed to send red flag, a strict warning to you that KRA is coming for you. So a KRA PIN is put on a special table if it is suspected of compliance issues, that you continue to file nil returns when KRA knows very well that your business is active, that you continue failing to file any return and your business is active, that you underdeclare the VAT payable by understating your sales. KRA is watching you, that sometimes you claim VAT for purchases that are related to your supply of VAT exempted sales. That is not supposed to happen. And to make the matter worse, sometimes you decide to buy or procure VAT invoices from suppliers who are non-existent just because you want to reduce your VAT payable. If that defines who you are or some of the things that you do, then don't worry or don't wonder why you are not able to process VAT receipts and invoices for your customers. Don't wonder when your customers call you saying that they are unable to claim the input VAT from the purchases they made from your shop. And by the way, before it gets to this point, KRA tries to call you to communicate to you, but they get frustrated. This is because perhaps when you first registered your KRA PIN, you went to a cyber and the cyber attendant just created an email address for you that they never told you which email address and what password that they were creating for that email address. And then they provided it to KRA when they were registering for your KRA PIN. So KRA PIN, every other time they want to reach to you, that is their first choice. They write an email to you. But guess what? You don't even know that that email address exists, leave alone having the password to that email address. The internet, the cyber cafe's person, also provided KRA with a phone number that you don't know. So KRA tries to call you, they can't reach you. What do? They are frustrated and they finally decide to put your KRA PIN on a special table. And when your PIN is put on a special table, there are some privileges that you lose as a taxpayer. And they are mainly two. One is that you are no longer able to process VAT compliant invoices for your customers. And this is a bad thing for your business because most VAT registered customers always insist that they get a VAT compliant invoice before they can pay you. And this is because they need that input VAT in that purchase that they are making, so that at the end of the day, when they are filing for their tax returns, they will use that input VAT to reduce their VAT payable. When your PIN is put on a special table, it also means that all those customers that you had previously issued them with a VAT invoice, they will not be able to claim. And these are the ones that are calling you. To make the matter worse, these customers will run from you. Your lack of filing taxes or when you have compliance issues with KRA based on VAT, it stops being a tax issue, but it becomes a compliance issue and it becomes a trust issue where some of your customers no longer want to do business with you. And by the way, you also expose your suppliers because the suppliers that I spoke about, maybe some have not been filing their taxes. KRA will also go for them because of you. So what do you do now to avoid all this or for KRA to move you from the special table? Number one, you need to file all the pending VAT returns. And when you do that, they will come with penalties because of late filing. So number two, pay all the principal taxes that you are filed for and the penalties, fines, and interest that will come along. So once you do that, you cannot then apply to KRA for them to remove you from the special table. And I can promise you, it will not be a walk in the park. They will ask you that you provide them with 5 years audited bank statements, invoices, receipts, and they will also write to your suppliers and to your customers seeking for more information. And at the end of the day, you will be required to pay more taxes, fines, penalties, interest, and it is just chaos for your business. And sometimes the KRA can even communicate to all commercial banks that whoever has opened a bank account with your KRA PIN, for those bank accounts to be suspended until you clear with KRA. It's such an expensive process. So now, this is what you should do to avoid all that drama. Ensure that you file your taxes on time. You claim only input VAT that is related to your supply of vatable services and goods. And number 3, vet your suppliers. Ensure that the people who are selling to your business, that they are VAT compliant. Because if they are not compliant, when you will be claiming the input VAT from their purchases, you will have a problem. And lastly, ensure that your records with KRA are fully updated. The email address that is attached to your KRA PIN, the phone number that is attached to your KRA PIN. And once you do that, you will ensure your PIN from being put on a special table. It will enhance that, it will ensure that you remain a person of integrity, a person who is accountable, because your accountability today is the sustainability of your business tomorrow.